Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook stuffed shells. First, gather your essential ingredients like 1 box of large pasta shells, 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, and 24 ounces of your favorite marinara sauce. Next, prepare the delicious cheese filling by combining the ricotta with 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 1 large egg. Finally, cook the pasta shells al dente according to the package directions, ensuring they are firm enough to handle. Now, let's get to the fun part, filling those shells. Carefully take each cooked pasta shell and spoon in about 2 generous tablespoons of the creamy cheese mixture. Be gentle to avoid tearing them. Then, spread a thin, even layer of marinara sauce, approximately 1 cup, across the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Arrange your beautifully filled shells in a single layer over the sauce, making sure they fit snugly. It's time to bake your masterpiece. Cover the baking dish tightly with aluminum foil and place it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 20 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. After this, remove the foil, sprinkle about 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese generously over the shells, and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and golden brown. Almost ready to enjoy? Once out of the oven, let your stuffed shells rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the sauce and cheese to set, preventing them from falling apart when served. Garnish with fresh basil or chopped parsley for a vibrant touch and enhanced flavor. For a delightful twist, consider adding cooked ground beef or sautéed spinach to your cheese filling next time. Enjoy your homemade, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.